Usolwa ngokubulala umjeje wabomma beLimpopo. Umsolwa lo imkhwakhe yokubulala umjeje ivunjulwe ngemva kokutholakala kobufakazi ngaphakathi kwefoni yomunye wabongazimbi. Kanti namhlanje bekavela kwehlandla lesibili ekhotho. Begodu njenganje uqale namacala alikhomba wokubulala nokuthumba. UThemba Prince Willards Dube ukhulume ngesikhabo wathi akalifuni isizo logcotha lombuso. Imindeni yabongazimbi ilimele khulu. Yabika abongazimbi bona banyamalele beyingazi ukuthi bazakutholakala sebathulile.
Last weekend when they called us, they found some dead bodies around the Blood River, somewhere around behind the shoe industrial section that side. And then is where we found, the police found the dead bodies, and it's like they are burnt to ashes. We went to the forensic government mortuary and then to identify, but the bodies were really bad.
Ngqongqoshe wezabomma ofisini likaMengameli uMaiteng kwanamashapane uthi uhulumende uzoyisekela imindeni ebhujelweko. Wonakele umoya kaNgqongqoshe unkwanamashapane ngokubulawa kwabomma.
Those who are illegal should not find it easy to just walk through our borders. Just listen to the number of women who were killed by an illegal. How many more in how many other courts would you have who would have died for nothing by people who don't have anything to themselves except save to kill the harmless women?
Nakusenjalo kuphehuke irawurawu phakathi kwamapholisa nomphakathi ngaphandle ekhotho bekwakateleka ukuthi kusetshenziswe inkulu ezeraba ukuphathalaje umphakathi lo bekwaba nabalimalako khonapho. Iphenyo saraka kanti kulindeleke ukuthi uDube abuyele ekhotho ngoTjhirhweni umnyaka ozako. Nakusenjalo ekhotho ePitori umholo wesondo iRivers of Living Waters uStephen Bafana Zondo uthe batho akazibona icala kiwo kamacala alithuma beko wona kuba lahlangana abunane wokukata linye lokubetha nalinye lokhobela umthetho. Uzondo usola ngokudosa bongazimbi ngelokuthi batho uyabathandazela. Ezinye zezihlakalo ezikuthiwa zenzeke ngaphakathi esondweni lakhe.